What is up, guys? It is the next day after buying the cheap orange plastic BeyStadium. I got it right here. I'm currently racing through the streets on the way to meet my boy Elijah for a quick lunchtime Beyblade meetup. Now, of course, myself, I'm a no job having ass type guy. Well, you know, at least some days of the week I got a pretty flexible schedule, so I'm on some unemployed shit right now. My man Elijah, he works, he makes cash. He's out there grinding for his money. He's out there on some wage slave shit. Big ups, big respects. So anyway, I digress. I'm gonna go meet him on his lunch break for a little 40 minutes of his lunch break before he's got to get busy. We're gonna have a little bit of lunch, and we're gonna see how this BeyStadium gets together. Now, my man does have a, I believe, Meteor Dragoon, but unfortunately he left it at home and he only brought his Beyblade launcher with him. And so that's okay. I have all my Beyblades with me in the car, so we'll at least be able to let it rip and have a little bit of fun on our own and just kind of, you know, get our flavor for Beyblade's palate awakened, so to speak. So let's ride. Let's get to it. Yes, I had a lovely but slightly stressful cruise on my way to meet up with my friend here. We ended up finding a very nice popular park where there's an interesting art installation going on, so we actually had a bit of a crowd that was, for the most part, passively observing us. Yeah, so I brought out all my Beyblades that I haven't opened yet that you guys have seen. That's my man Elijah right there. And we basically just started an unboxing and Beyblade building process right then and there. Now, we did not have a whole bunch of time, so we just started grabbing Beyblades and putting them together just to get a couple rips in while we still can. We had a lovely time. I'll share some of the clips of some of our launches that we were working on, and just having fun and getting familiar with it. We even had somebody stop by and start asking questions about it, so it was a great session. Please enjoy.
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh. Damn, bro, I feel like I'm kind of folding under pressure right now.
Folding on the misrips, dude, yeah.
The light's shining a little bright for me right now.
They are bright. They're bright right now. I'm just tapping into my old veteran status.
Let it rip.
So bouncy.
Is that a tie, bro? What's going on? Let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Wow.
Sterling Wolf is a pretty bad motherfucker.
Wow, that's crazy. Sterling Wolf, bro.
Sterling Wolf smokes.
Imagine if we tell Nate about this guy.
Yeah.
Nate's gonna have the most unbeatable meta Beyblade lineup of all time.
Yeah, exactly. You knock them out. Sometimes they, when they fight each other, they explode because it's like made of 3 different pieces. So.
Oh, nice. All right.
Yeah, so it gets pretty action-packed.
All right. Go.
All right.
All right. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, wow.
Rest in peace.
How do you score that one?
Yeah. Well, absolutely lovely. We had a great time in the park ripping some Beys. This was actually my first time opening most of my Beyblades because I was just waiting for a time to squat up and hit a stadium. Now that I have my own sort of amateur stadium, I can at least work on my form, check out some different combos. We definitely cracked the code a little bit with the Sterling Wolf with the defensive bit on the end. That was pretty interesting. So yeah, we're just gonna keep studying the game. Oh god, that was a bad bump. Oh fuck. But yeah, basically just gonna keep studying the game, meeting up with the boys. Maybe more lunchtime sessions will be doing us justice for sure. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely keep you posted on future progress.